मैं तो अब घर में ही बंद हूँ, 'cause I can't take vaccine. Yes, I'm not allowed to take a vaccine because it is backfiring on people with MS. The episodes are coming back, and what and all has happened, it seems. They've done a study in the UK and all. UK, I think that is UK. I will include the article link below. You can go through that. So my doctors have suggested you better wait. You better not take vaccine yet. I am under house arrest. But I am so lucky to have the bounty of my backyard. So I'm happily sitting here, breathing in the fresh air. I'm not feeling depressed, but I'm not going out anywhere. Not living in an apartment where in a closed environment where you don't get to see anyone, don't get to talk to anyone because of the corona situation. You can't even open your door, your window, whatnot. And the main reason why I'm not making the videos is that my mom is not feeling well. No, not corona. She was having severe heart palpitations every night. She was having those heart palpitations, and it was so serious. The heartbeat was so fast. She felt like the blood was rushing through her body, and the heart was beating too fast and whatnot. Anxious and etc, etc, etc. So she went to a doctor in her town itself where she was staying, but God, the doctors these days, the doctor was telling plain lies without knowing that my sister is an MBBS graduate. He just told them, see the ECG, the 5th wave, the 3rd wave, the this wave, that wave. My sister was like, can you show us the ECG? No, he did not agree. No, they forward the ECG to the billing counter where you, after you pay the bill, they give you the all the reports and ECG and whatever has been done. And there my sister collected the ECG. God, she got to know the doctor was telling plain lies. Yes, every damn thing he said was plain lie. Yeah, God, he told you have to get admitted tomorrow. Tomorrow you have to pay 25,000, and after that, how many ever days you are admitted here, you have to pay 10,000 each day. Get an angiogram done, and what not. God, if my sister was not a doctor, they would have believed. Yeah, who wouldn't? Someone that you love is in such a state and a doctor tells all of that, you get scared, right? And you do whatever he tells. Yes, doctor, yes, how much ever it takes, whatever is needed, please do it, we will pay it. Yeah, that's what you do. God, the doctors these days. I called her off, and my sister also bought her up. Let's not stay in this town, let's go to Bangalore. And immediately my sister bought her here by flight. They are running, yes, and we had no other choice, right? There, no doctors, no other doctors are left. That was the only big hospital, and he told plain lies. And we took her to Narayana Hrudayalaya, and the doctor did not rush her saying, do angiogram, yes, you have to get it done. No, he said nothing's wrong with the ECG, no need of any angiogram. He did the CT angiography. First let's do that, if there are any blocks we'll get to know. Like that he took the case forward sensibly, and after doing all of that, the reports did not show any heart problem. I felt so relieved. He's just doubting that it's an anxiety related disorder. He took the case forward sensibly. We are so glad that nothing's wrong with the heart. Here I am, because from past 2 days we are a little relieved, and I took a little rest because I was restless all the other days. We don't know what was happening to my mom. So after getting to know that there was no heart related problems and all, मन को ऐसे शांति मिली. I just wanted to update my viewers about what's going on, why am I not here on YouTube, is my life's update. I will be back recording a video. Something's cooking in my brain after after my mom's reports were normal. I got so relieved, and from past 2 days something is cooking in my brain. I started thinking what video to do next. Yeah, everything in my mind was erased, completely erased after that incident, and after getting to know that the reports are normal, no heart related problems or anything, I started thinking, soch, दिमाग को खोद. I can't promise you when the next video will be up. I don't know yet. I'm seriously tired. Even my health is not in a good state right now after all that stress. I will see you with whatever's cooking up in my mind. If I can record that, I can put that out. If that idea materializes and I record, I will upload the video mostly next week. Yeah, I don't know if I can do it. I will try and do it this week itself. We'll see how it goes. Okay, see you in that video. Bye.